see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Oy, pagaling na ikaw, baba. Good night. Say good night. Good night. Natok na siya. Inano ko lang siya, tawag nun, nilabaran. Ano bang Tagalog ng nilabaran? Hinugasan ko lang siya, and then, pinatulog ko na siya. And, babalik ako sa kusina, guys, kasi magluluto ako ng kanin kasi bukas magsasangag ako. Good morning, guys. Time check is 6:30. Good morning, Kuya. Morning. Plano ko sana gigising ako 6 o'clock kasi hindi kinaya ng powers ko kasi ang oras ako natulog kagabi 3:30 or mag-aalas 4 na kasi tinapos ko mag-edit and upload yung vlogs kasi sabi ko araw-araw na ako mag-upload para matapos ko na yung pending na mga vlogs. So yun. But anyway, maghihilam. Kunin ko muna yung lulutuin kong longganisa and maghihilamos ako. Kasi baka may mga tayo dyan, may mga dapat hindi pa dapat na makita nyo. Tapos na tayo maghilamos. Ayan yung dala. Stop, good morning.
Morning.
Morning, boy. Boy na sila. Kanina si Kuya hindi pa makapagsalita kasi kagigising niya lang. So anyway, magluluto na tayo. Ito yung lulutuin ko longganisa. Ayan. So anuin ko muna siya. Pakukuluan ng konti sa tubig. Ilagay ko kayo somewhere. Ito yung kanin na linuto ko kagabi. Ayan. Ano yun natin? Naubusan ako ng egg. Walang egg. Wala. So, longganisa lang talaga. So, actually guys, ang breakfast ng mga bata, yung tawag nun? Kutsara. Si Holly, siguro nasa kitchen niya na naman yung mga mga kutsara para sa dito sa kusina. Saan? Hindi nagay ni Holly yun. Wala. Nandun naman yung sa kusina niya. Pero sinasabi ko, sila kuya, ang breakfast talaga nila usually is ay, hindi ko kayo malagay dyan. Sandali nga. Palitan ko tong tripod. Kasi mababa siya. So, ayan. Pinalitan ko yung tripod. Kasi yung kanina, mababa siya. Yung sinasabi ko, sila kuya, usually talagang breakfast nila is, like cereal or toast. Pero minsan, nagbe-breakfast din silang Filipino breakfast. Kasi ngayon, si Sak, may field trip. Mayroon siyang outing ito. Ayan. Tomorrow, ngayon, may outing sila. So, gusto ko heavy breakfast yung kinakain nila pag may outing sila. So, yun. Sandali mo na, ko muna pag... like Filipino, like Lola. Yeah. There's no egg, Bobo. Gusto niya raw ng egg. Wala ng egg. Kasi malakas din sila sa egg. Ayan, nasobrahan naman kayong tangkad. Kayo din. Walang egg sock. Kasi ano na ngayon? Wednesday. Yeah, today is October 20. 24. Is it 24 today, Kuya? 23?
24.
Is it 24?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Can you get my phone, please? It's on the...
Yes, I was 23.
Is it?
Yeah.
22 ba ngayon? Oh, 24. Yeah, 24.
Yes.
Yes, 24.
Tomorrow I get my sausage sizzle.
Oh, Tita Ray's birthday today.
What?
Yeah, Tita Ray's birthday. Ha? So, ayan, nakahit na natin siya. Ayan, luto na yung sinangag. Si Sak nagbibihis na. Sila na nagbibihis sa sarili nila, guys. Hindi na ako. And, pag gabi na sila naliligo bago mag-dinner, then, parang hindi sila maligo pag umaga. Kasi maaga ang pasok nila, 8:45. Mag-aalas 7 na. So, lutuin ko na yung, ayan, longganisa. Pakukulang ko lang siyang konti sa tubig, then, piprituin. So, yun. Are you alright, Kuya? So, ang pag-alis ng plastic sa longganisa is, ayan, ginugupit ko lang and then pinupush ko siya, ganyan. Hindi siya nagpo-focus. Makita niyo ba? So, ayan. Si Kuya, inuubo. Si Holly, may ubo rin, tsaka may sinat kagabi. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ito na yung plastic. Lalagay ko dyan sa kawali. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, ito yung sa paper wax. Madali lang siya. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Ayan. Tayo natin yung longganisa maluto. Magpe-prepare na ako ng baon ng mga bata. Dito ulit kayo. Oh. Do you want Milo, Kuya? That?
Yes.
Manners? Oh, there's no Milo. There's no Milo. There's only one Milo.
Huh?
There's only one Milo.
I told you I did more like
No, I mean Milo. This one.
There's more. There's more Milo.
No more.
There's more.
And ito yung bananang binake ko nung isang araw. Ito na yung lunch box. Ito yung kay Kuya. Ito yung lunch ni Kuya. Smiley frites. Tapos, meron siya nito, Milo. Tapos, ito yung banana bread na binibake ko. Tapos, ayan, may fruit bar siya dyan. And another biki. So, ayan. Ito yung kay Kuya. And then, yung kay Zachary, kasi ngayon, ano lang naman siya, half day. Dito siya magla-lunch. So, wala siyang sandwich. So, ayan sa kanya, banana bread. Same as kuya. Eto pa pala, mandarin ni kuya. Kasi eto yung tinatawag nilang brain food is this, kuya? Yeah, brain food. So, kailangan may fruit sila. So, mandarin yung kay kuya. And kay Sak, apple. So, ayan. Ayan, kay Sak. So, ayan. Ito yung, ayan, luto na yung longganisa at saka fried rice. So, yan lang yung almusal nila. Wala kasing egg. So, asa na kayo?
That one apple, Mom. I don't like it. I like the other one in there.
What, you don't like this one?
I like
Why?
this one. I like this one. This one's better.
Which one? That one?
Yeah. Mama.
Ayaw ni Sak nitong suka. Ang gusto niya, ito yung may sili.
Mom, I want that one. Oh, yeah. Vinegar. TJ.
Oh?
Where's TJ? I'm up to this one.
Careful.
A lot? Yeah.
Ay, naghihintay na sila.
Which one's mine?
Here, wait, not yet.
I want the little one, like the colors of it.
What little?
Like these. I'll show you where is it then.
What little one?
Little.
Yeah, I already, vinegar. I already poured here.
No. With the little stuff in it.
You want with chili?
Yeah.
Ano si Sak, ang daming request. Gusto niya raw yung may sili, yung... Grabe. Oh, sige. You should have told me before. Okay? That's enough. I'm saving that chili for me.
Mom, there's a planning.
Yeah. Nag-request si Sak, lagyan ko raw ng sili yung kanyang sausawan. Ayan na, nakabihis na sila.
That's why, guys.
Naayos na nila yung buhok nila. So, hindi na sila mahirap pag umaga kasi ano na sila, independent na sila. Sila na nagbibihis. Tapos, pag magto-toast lang sila, sila na rin nagto-toast. Yes?
Mom,
Yes?
where's my lunch?
You don't have lunch because you're half day, remember? Chinek niya yung ano, hindi niya nakitang may, wala, nakita niya wala siyang sandwich, kaya sabi niya, nasaan yung ano ko, lunch. Hindi niya alam, half day ka, remember?
Can you eat one? Is that fried rice?
Yeah, like Lola, no veggies. Ito yung gustong fried rice ni Kuya, yung...
You can have little eggs.
No, we don't have egg, Baba.
I like green.
Ito yung sa'yo. Where's your manners?
Thank you.
Ayan.
Is this the same?
The same what? From yesterday?
No, it's this. Are they the same?
The same what?
Wait, is it today?
What?
Mom, did you eat them?
Yeah.
That is,
Toyota.
I love this, Mom.
I know you do.
Mom,
Ito
I
sa'yo.
like this. Mom, I like this. One last one. It does taste like fried rice.
Huh?
It tastes like fried rice.
I know it's fried rice.
Mom,
Yeah.
this is remind me from the Philippines.
You like Lola.
No, cheese.
Here, oh, yung anong...
Cheese.
I use it for
Marlon.
no, for daddy's
Potato.
yeah, potato, mashed potato.
Thank you.
Always say thank you and always say
We always say that when you see us.
so where are you going today, Zachary?
The bush.
The bush?
Look on that blue one.
I know, I already looked.
And Mom, some people did back did
What?
what is it?
Lunchbox. What?
Lamington.
Lamington?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's not Amazon. I have some tomorrow. Huh? I like it with boiling egg.
You like with boiling? Si Kuya kasi mahilig din siya sa
I
boiling
like
egg.
it with boiling egg and egg.
And egg. Si Sak, mahilig siya sa sunny side up egg. Kakainin ni Sak yung sili, oh. Tingnan natin. Ano? Is it good? Kinain niya yung isang sili. O, dalawa yan kanin. Dalawa yan, di ba? Ayan, kinain niya na yung isa. How was that? How is it? Good? Good, Sak?
I'm not playing another one. Can we always have this again?
Yeah?
Can we always have this again?
Always. Not always. Alternate so you won't get sick of it. What, you want more rice? Manners?
Please.
That's enough?
No, this is
Please?
Please.
Si Sak, tapos na si Sak, oh. Nawala na siya ng ano, ang tawag na, no, after niyang kumain ito, yung sili. Ayan, pero konti na lang yung natira niya. Si Kuya na lang natitira.
I'll get one more.
Of course. Get this one.
I like cheese.
You like it?
I like it with cheese.
Si Holly tulog pa eh. Be quiet, Saka. Be quiet. Ayan siya, guys. Humihilik siya. Tapos na si Kuya kumain, nagising na si Holly. Baba! Mook! Oh! Say thank you, Kuya Zach. Say good morning! Say morning. Say morning, guys. Say good morning. Ano siya, stuffy nose. Say good morning, guys. Can you say good morning? Say morning. Come on. Say hi. Umiyak siya kasi. Gumising siyang wala si Mami sa tabi niya. Maaga kasi nagising si Mami. Diba? Where's Mommy's halik? Good morning, halik. Ah, where's your routine? Huh? Where's Mommy's good morning, halik? Nasaan? Where's Mommy halik? Nasaan Mommy's halik? Lala. Good morning. Good morning. Oh. People will see my boobie. Say good morning. Say morning, Mommy. I love you. Mahal kita. Ganyan kami pag umaga. Oh, lalaba mo. You always say, I love you every morning. Every time we woke up. Right, Baba? Say opo. Say opo. Oh, here you go. Oh, yung ano niya, yung tali niya. Natanggal. Okay. Okay, ilagay ko na daw. Oh, we have to brush your hair, Baba. Oops. Yun, tapos na yung dalawang kumain ng breakfast. So, inihintay na lang namin na breakfast. Yeah. Inihintay na lang namin yung oras para umalis. Pag inatid ko yung mga bata, guys, tas alam ko lang kasi hindi ako papasok sa school. Etong nakapajama pa rin ako pag pumupunta ako sa pag inatid ko sila sa school. Kasi si Kuya na ang naghahatid, Baba. Dinadrop off ni Kuya TJ si Sak sa school, sa room niya. Nung first ni Sak, lagi ko siyang hinahatid sa school kasi ako nagsusulat ng pangalan niya. Ngayon, marunong siya magsulat. And yeah, ginagabayan na siya ni Kuya TJ. Diba, Holly? Say opo. Say opo. Ayun yung kusina ni Holly. Let's sing happy birthday kay Tita Ray's. Tita Ray's birthday ni Ray's ngayon. Say, Red. Oh, Baba, stop moving.
Happy birthday, Race!
Tita Ray's. Oh, here. Come on, say. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita. Ayan, palis na kami, guys. Kinanta namin ng sa IG story si Race ng what did we sing, boys?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Nakakatuwa dun si Holly kasi may cue siyang 1, 2, happy birthday. May pag-ganun si Holly. Okay, let's go! So, hindi na ako mag-base, guys. Ganito ko sila dinadrop off. Naka-pajama lang. Kasi malapit lang naman, tsaka hindi naman ako bumababa. Okay, come on, Baba! Let's go!
My legs are touching me. Go! Holy, go! I'm getting the sink. Who's in there? No!
Holly, go to your seat now. Buckle her up, Kuya. Here's your Milky. Here's your Milky. Okay, go sit.
Give them the Zach first.
Let's hold your Milky and baby. Okay, hold it.
You want these?
Put the dress daw, Sak. Oh.
Huh? The thing on.
Si Kuya na naglalagay sa kanya sa seatbelt. Sa car seat. Marunong na kasi si Kuya.
Face. Ow. Pick up.
Make sure it click, Kuya, ha.
I'm a down. No, I'm touching boy stuff.
Okay, thank you. Say thank you sa Holly. Say thank you to Kuya. Oh, say thank you.
She said that.
Say, ready, get set?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Play.
See you.
What are you
I love you.
doing?
Listen and learn, okay? I love you.
I love you. Listen, learn.
That's right.
And
Yeah.
clean up for Holly.
Hey, look at this. You still have milk here. I'll do it. It's mommy. It came from mommy. Kadiri. Ganyan pa. Kasi uminom siya ng gatas. Okay. So, see you na to, Did you say see you to Holly?
I can't hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry.
Say bye, Kuya.
Bye.
Say bye, Kuya. Don't forget your bag.
Bye. Zach, you're back.
Kuya, Sak daw, bye.
Bye, bye.
Sak, tinatawag ka ni Holly.
Bye, bye.
Say, oy.
Bye, Holly. Bye, Holly. Holly.
Okay, see ya. Say bye. Ayun na yung dalawa. Diyan yung ni Sak. Ihatid niya na. Guys, bahay na kami. Nakabalik na kami sa bahay. What's that, Baba? Gusto niya raw ABC chan. Ililigpit ko lang to and then magsasampay tayo kasi magsasampay pala ako. Kasi kagabi, linabhang ko na yung mga damit para ready na siyang isampay. Iligpit ko lang ang mga to. Sinasabihan niya ako, hurry up! What's that? Sinasabihan niya ako, hurry up! Where's that remote? Where's the remote? Where? Okay, gusto niya raw ng AB. AB what? AB what? AB? C? Kids. So, gusto niya ng ABC Kids. Is that one? Huh? Okay. Magligpit lang muna si Mami. So, yun guys. Nasampay ko na yung mga nilabang ko kagabi. And kung makikita nyo, nakaligo na rin tayo. So, eto ang aking morning routine. Pag may field trip yung mga bata or outing sa school, pinapa-heavy breakfast ko talaga sila para meron silang energy sa mga activities na gagawin nila sa outing. Yeah, guys. So, that's it for today's, guys. So, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya!
Me who you see, 'cause I